Check if a given directory contains any directory in Python. Essentially, I'm wondering if the top answer given to this question can be implemented in Python. I am reviewing the modules os.path, and shootil, and I haven't yet been able to find an easy equivalent, though I assume I'm just missing something simple. More specifically, say I have a directory A, and inside directory A is any other directory. I can call os.walk, path/to/a, and check if dirnames is empty, but I don't want to make the program go through the entire tree rooted at A, i.e. what I'm looking for should stop and return true as soon as it finds a subdirectory. For clarity, on a directory containing files, but no directories, an acceptable solution will return false.
Maybe you want. This will return a list of all subdirectories. If it's empty, then there are no subdirectories. Or in one line. Although for a subdirectory to be counted with this method, it must have some file in it. Or manipulating walk.
I would just do as follows. This prints true or false, depending if $_of_interest is in the generator. And you use here generator, so the directories to check are generated one by one. You can break from the walk anytime you want. For example, this breaks is a current folder being walked, has no subdirectories. Maybe this is in line with what you are after.
Try this.
I apparently can't comment yet, however, I wanted to update part of the answer. This URL gave, or at least what worked for me. Using Python 3.7.3, I had to modify his first code snippet as follows. Further progress on narrowing to, does given directory contain any directory, results in code like. The result of this code should be true or false.
Before I support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.